Hello students, welcome to the fourth video lesson of lesson number 18. Name of the lesson you all know, national symbols of India. In this video we will see some other national symbols such as national flower, national tree, national fruit and national game. So let us see national flower. The lotus is the national flower of India. It is considered a holy flower. It has an important place in the religion and culture of India. It is a flower that grows in muddy ponds and yet is always so beautiful and clean. The lotus stands for purity of heart and mind, wealth and knowledge. Now, which one is our national flower? So, lotus. Lotus is considered as it has been chosen as our national flower. Now, in our culture, it is considered as a very holy flower. It has a very important place in our culture and in our religion in India. You must be knowing, you must have seen, we use the lotus flower for worshipping gods and goddesses. Now, where does it grow? Does it grow in the sand or on the soil? No. It grows in the muddy ponds. You must have seen the lotus. Where they grow? They grow in the muddy ponds. But you won't find any mud or any dirt on the lotus. That is why it stands for purity of heart and mind. Also, it stands for symbol of wealth and knowledge. Now, moving to the next national symbol, which is national tree. So let us see the banyan tree is the national tree of India. It has been an important part of the Indian village scene since hundreds of years. It is a huge tree. New trees grow from its roots and hang from the branches. It is known for its long life and is believed to be a tree which never dies. The banyan tree has been a part of many interesting folktales. Now, which tree is our national tree? So, banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. Now, whenever you will see a scene of a village in any movie or any documentary, you will find a banyan tree there. So, that is why banyan tree, it is a very important part of Indian village since hundreds of years. Now you must have seen it is very big tree. It is a very huge tree and it is believed that they never die. The banyan tree, they never die. Now in our folk tales in India, we have so many folk tales. It has a very important place. The banyan tree, it has a very important place in our folk tales, the folk tales of our country. Now moving to the next national symbol, which is the national fruit. So, the mango is the national fruit of India. It is a very sweet and juicy fruit. It is known as the king of fruits. Mangoes are grown in many parts of India except in mountains and the desert. There are hundreds of varieties of mangoes. Each variety has a particular shape and taste. Now, which fruit is known as the national fruit? So, mango is the national fruit of India. How it tastes very sweet and it is a very juicy fruit. Now, it is considered as the king of fruits. You must be knowing, mango is considered or is known as the king of fruits. They are grown in almost all parts of our country except in mountains and the desert. We all know in desert we rarely have any plant. So they don't grow in mountains, deserts or in mountains. Now we have hundreds of varieties of mangoes. You must be knowing some of the varieties that we have here at our place. So mangoes, they have hundreds of varieties in India. Now the different varieties taste different. So we all know this. Now moving to the next national symbol, which is the national game. Let us see. National game. Cricket is the most popular game in India, but field hockey is our national game. Hockey has been played in India since a long time. There was a golden period of Indian hockey when India won gold medals in the game at the Olympics. All the national symbols represent our motherland. They show the beauty and richness of our country. We should respect our national symbols and be proud of our country. Now you all must be knowing which one is the most popular game of our country. So it is cricket, but it is not our national game. Which is our national game? Field hockey is our national game. Hockey is our national game. Now it has been played in India since a very long time. There was a very golden period. There was a golden period when India, it won medals in the Olympics. It won gold medals. You can see the image of a very famous personality from hockey, Major Dhyan Chand. He is known as the Wizard of Hockey. Major Dhyan Chand, he is known as the Wizard of Hockey. He is from India. Now all these national symbols that we have seen, they represent our motherland. They show the beauty and the richness of our country. And what we must do, what we are supposed to do, we should respect our national symbols and be most proud of our country. Now, this was all we had in this lesson. What you have to do, in the next video we will see the exercises as well as the recap. Till then, you are supposed to go through the previous videos, go through the lesson and try to solve the exercise by yourself. Till then, what you have to do, study well and thank you.